What's up, YouTube? Back at you with another one. Day 4, still sprinkling out, but I got some dirt. Had to get it in bags this time because dirt's too wet to get in the truck. It'd be too heavy, so we're gonna get this put out. Let's do it. Alright guys, the bags are out. Let's get it in the hole. Alright guys, I got a mixture of peat and topsoil. Figured it should do pretty good. I mean, it's dirt for tree, shrubs, flowers, and vegetables, ready to use. Filling a hole, putting seeds in it. I mean, kind of says it right on there, it'll work. So, doing a little bit of mixture, filling it with the topsoil first, and then using the peat for on top. Should make for a pretty good mixture. And it's always good to you know, get the dirt moved around in there and kind of pack it down just a little bit, not a whole lot. But hopefully here in the next couple of days I'll get some plants and all this stuff. Mom has tomato plants in there started and a bunch of other stuff, so get that stuff out here and you know, get stuff growing. There's the sun. Ain't seen the sun in 3 damn days. Best thing about having a water barrel. You need to rinse your hands off outside. You got some water to use. Alright guys, got dirts in the hole. Boom. Boom. Even threw some up in here. I got leveled off yet, but then I got the hole down here I threw some in. Be able to get some more plants in, get some tomatoes in here in the next day or two. Be nice. That one's got dirt in it now. Starting to look better. Starting out to look like a hodgepodge of boxes. But thank you guys for watching. I'll have some more tomorrow and the next day. I'm gonna try to do the whole growing season. Keep you guys along for the progress. You guys do good things, go grow some food, do something nice for your neighbor, and have a good day. Love you guys. I'm out.